If you're in the market for an electric pickup truck, the 2023 Ford F150 Lightning is worth considering. There are many reasons why the gas-powered Ford F150 has been the main selling car passenger vehicle in America for the last 40 years. One of the main reasons is its strong performance. The F150 offers a range of engine options that deliver impressive power and torque, making it a capable truck for towing and hauling heavy loads. The F-150 is also known for its durability and reliability. It has a reputation for being a tough, long-lasting vehicle that can handle the demands of daily use. With the fully electric 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning, you can get the same capabilities and remain friendly to the environment. Keep watching to find out more about the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. If you like what you see, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell to get notified of new videos. The 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning's exterior is just like its gas-powered counterpart, except it looks a little more futuristic with all the new aerodynamic designs. You can find the charging port on the driver's side, but the one on the shotgun side is just a dud to make the truck's appearance more symmetrical. The main difference in the exterior between the regular and the F-150 Lightning is that the latter has aero-friendly wheels that are equipped with independent suspension and a closed-off grille. Overall, it looks like a regular F-150 with less aggressive styling. Also, the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning has a curb weight of 6,500 pounds. According to Ford engineers, using an aluminum body for the F-150 Lightning allowed them to build the electric truck with a lighter weight, despite it being about 1,000 pounds heavier than the gas-powered version. The F-150 Lightning's bed is 5.5 feet in length, the size of the shortest bed offered on the gasoline-powered F-150. The bed can hold up to 2,235 pounds or 1,656 cubic feet of cargo space. Numerous bed and cargo features are standard on the F-150 Lightning, including in-box LED lighting, exterior zone lighting, a tailgate step, a work surface, and lockable tie-down points. Ford has claimed that the truck only loses a little range once the payload reaches 1,000 pounds. Meanwhile, the frunk has a volume of 14.1 cubic feet, similar to a compact car's trunk space. It can hold several suitcases or shopping bags and can even be used as a cooler due to its water-resistant liner and drain plug. Several outlets throughout the bed and frunk can provide electricity using the truck's powertrain. The interior of the 2023 F-150 Lightning is appealing, but not all of the materials used are up to par, given the truck's price tag. This is particularly noticeable in the top trim level, which costs almost six figures and does not feel luxurious. The F-150 Lightning has a crew cab body style that seats 5 people. You get heated leather seats. You'll find controls for the center stack and voice command on the steering wheel. You also get a wireless phone charging pad, a large center console, and 2 cup holders. However, the glove box on the F-150 Lightning is smaller. The transmission shifter is also electronically retractable, allowing the center console to be folded down over it and used as a small table if you want to write something down on a piece of paper. The wide panoramic sunroof is also a nice element, along with the rear window slider at the top. The cabin has plenty of space, especially in the back, where passengers have almost 44 inches of legroom. Long drives wouldn't be a problem, even for taller people. Under the passenger seats is extra storage for smaller items. They also get vents and charging outlets for different types of USB adapters or any device they'd like to charge. The 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning comes equipped with a standard 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that features the latest version of Ford's Sync 4 software. Lariat and Platinum models have an even larger 15-inch display. All models have features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Optional premium audio systems from Bang & Olufsen are available in the Lariat and Platinum, with 8 and 18 speakers respectively. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster has nice graphics, but lacks customization options. The center screen shows you different camera angles if you want to see your surroundings. It even has the onboard scales feature that shows how heavy the load is on the truck's bed. Aside from that, the 2023 Ford F150 Lightning has a sophisticated trailering system that allows you to input the weight and size of your trailer and adjust your driving range estimates accordingly. When you attach a trailer, the truck will account for its size and reduce the estimated driving range to reflect the added weight. You can count on the 2023 Ford F150 Lightning's handling. The ride is smooth, even over rough roads, and the truck does not feel unstable or difficult to control. The standard battery pack has an estimated driving range of 240 miles, while XLT and Lariat models with the extended range battery pack can go up to 320 miles on a single charge. The F150 Lightning has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds with a standard range battery and 7,700 pounds with the extended range battery. An optional max trailer tow package is available for both battery options, providing upgraded cooling for the battery and motors to increase towing capacity to 7,700 pounds for the standard range and 10,000 pounds for the extended range. However, the top Platinum trim can only tow up to 8,600 pounds. Further, the top Platinum trim can give you a driving range of up to 300 miles. Powered by 2 electric motors and a 98 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the 2023 Ford F150 Lightning can produce 462 horsepower. That figure can go up to 580 with the optional 131 kilowatt-hour battery. Both engines have a torque output of 775 pound-feet. With a slight press on the throttle, the 2023 Ford F150 can generate power and torque instantly. As with any electric car, the range decreases during cold weather. Unfortunately for F150 Lightning owners, the electric truck can lose up to 100 miles of range during winter, which is pretty bad, especially for base model owners. To combat this, avoid using climate controls and endure the cold. Observing other precautions may limit range loss to a fourth or a third of the estimated range. Because the demand for the Ford F-150 is too high, the company has decided to make Lightning models pricier. The base model of the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning now has a starting price of $51,974. The Pro is priced at $57,869, the XLT at $61,269, the Lariat at $76,269, and the XLT Extended Range at $87,769. Meanwhile, the highest trim level, Platinum Extended Range, retails for $96,874. It's possible to add additional options to any model for an extra cost, which could be hundreds or thousands of dollars. As mentioned before, the gas-powered F-150 is one of the best cars anyone can buy, so don't expect its electric counterpart to disappoint. The fact that Motor Trend named the F-150 Lightning as the 2023 Truck of the Year speaks volumes. This was EV News Network with the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. Comment down below what you like and don't like about the renowned pickup truck. Until the next video.